Ooh, it's a fire truck. It's a fire truck. Firing, firing, trucking, trucking, trucking. Gents, and welcome to another vloggy vlog. And this one is a tragic one, because look at that. That is some fucking, what I look like, chipotle mayo. And it was spilled on my bike. I actually wiped it down. People are freaking savages out here. No respect for other people's shit. That's what's happening around here. You know what I mean? That is the situation. Anyway, we're gonna try to move on. We're gonna try to move on from that and enjoy ourselves. Look at this lady, she's confused. What do I do? What do I do? Anyway, Tool Tuesdays today. I might hit it up, but not exactly sure yet. That said, today is a magical Tool Tuesday. Today is a magical gas tank question day. Can you even hear me over the train and the bike? So Momo 000 is asking, how do I organize my life and my time between personal life, work, and YouTube? That is a fantastic question, sir. Thank you. Fantastic question, and I'll answer it shortly. Ooh, it smells so good around here. That taco spot. Not exactly sure what's happening here. Okay, let's get to the question, right? Now that I've made the sounds that I wanted to make and everybody respects my authority. Organizing time. I mean, for me, multiple questions, multiple answers. For me, first of all, my time is not organized. I'm a fucking mess, okay? I do get shit done. And the thing is, the YouTube videos have become a part of a routine, habit, ritual, whatever you want to call it. So it's very different for me. It's not like pulling teeth or accomplishing things. It's actually just like a common situation. Same with the work, you know. I work 9 to 5. Been doing it for a minute. I'm a 9 to 5 kind of guy. So that's why it's actually pretty straightforward for me to, what the fuck is this person doing? You alright, lady? You okay? Look at this dude. Look at this. What the frick? Anyway. And as far as my job, so that's easy because it's like 9 to 5, and I'm lucky enough. I'm one of those lucky people where I don't have to take my work home with me. You know, this person is gonna get passed immediately. So once I'm done with work, I get to just relax and take care of my other things. And as far as my life goes, I'm stuck. Nothing is organized. Nothing is organized. Nothing is working out. Ooh, it's a fire truck. It's a fire truck. Firing, firing, trucking, trucking, trucking. Firing and trucking, firing and truck. So yeah, to answer your question, nothing is organized. It's just like things are kind of like stuck into their holes. Things are just kind of stuck into their holes, one way or another, right? So it is a weird place to be. That said, come on, man, can we That said, I do want to get organized, and I do want to get situated and figured out and solidified. As it stands now, not organized at all, and my organization is primitive at best. This truck, man. There we go. Anyway, so yeah, the fact that there might be a false impression on people that I got my shit together somehow. It's not true. It's just not true. Maybe it is. Maybe it isn't. I don't know. But that's my answer. I did not get my shit figured out. I don't have my life together. I don't know what I'm doing. Normally I pass everybody here, but now I'm stuck behind NYPD. And here's a perfect example. See? When the Popo is around, you take it easy. Just relax, you know? Not trying to have any special adventures here. Yep, there they are. Anyway, that's that. Does that answer your question? I hope not, because the very last thing that I am is useful, right? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. That was a fun little ride. That was pretty wide open. That was pretty, you know, unobtrusive, if you will. Pretty unobtrusive. Go ahead, sir. You got this. With your little tights. Pretty hot. Nice butt, bud. Nice butt, bud. Ooh. My boy's got a fucking Brembos. Ooh. No turn signals necessary. Look at this guy. No turn signals necessary. So that's why I'm gonna pass him quickly. No respect. I don't care. Gotta teach him back. Anyway, everything will be okay. And I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? Thank you, bye. Bye, 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 bye.